In today's digital world, financial opportunities are opening up at an unprecedented rate, giving rise to the question, what is the best way to make money online? Among the wealth of options available, affiliate marketing and dropshipping have emerged as two leading contenders for those keen on entering the world of e-commerce. The decision of which path to follow can depend on various factors including risk tolerance, budget, and how much control you want over your product. Here, we'll delve into both avenues, assessing the benefits and drawbacks, and revealing which might work best for you as a beginner. Affiliate marketing is essentially about partnering with an established company to promote their products. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. This could be through a well-known platform like Amazon Associates, where you can earn between 3% to 10% per sale, or more niche software like ClickFunnels. The allure is in the simplicity. It doesn't involve inventory management, shipping, or handling customer service. The pathway is paved toward potential passive income, making it an attractive entry-level option. However, the challenges are real. Commissions might be low. You lack control over the product. It necessitates a significant effort to build a reliable audience and gain trust over time. On the other hand, dropshipping offers a radically different approach. It requires you to sell products online without maintaining physical inventory. When a customer places an order, your supplier directly ships the product to them. This model allows you to determine your own pricing and pocket potentially high margins. The most common strategy involves using platforms like Shopify to feature trendy gadgets and sourcing products from places such as AliExpress. Despite the potential for higher profits, the obstacles are far from negligible. Managing customer service and returns can be convoluted, identifying profitable winning products is complex, and marketing expenses, particularly Facebook ads, can erode the bottom line. When pitting these two models against each other in terms of profitability, affiliate marketing and dropshipping each have their strengths. Affiliate marketing can offer a consistent revenue stream once a client base is established, thanks largely to the potential for passive income. Nevertheless, dropshipping can lead to higher profit margins, though this is contingent upon successful ad campaigns and efficient returns management. If you're starting off and seeking a financially prudent approach, affiliate marketing shines for its low-risk profile, making it a coherent stepping stone due to its minimal upfront investment and inherent passive income prospects. Conversely, if you have some funds to allocate toward advertising, dropshipping could be your calling.